Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy crab quiche. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 ounces of fresh or canned crab meat, a 9-inch pie crust, and your basic dairy and eggs. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial step ensures your oven is ready for baking, giving your quiche a perfect start. We're aiming for a delicious, golden brown finish. Now let's create the heart of our quiche, the creamy filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream until well combined. Season this mixture with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg. Finally, gently fold in your 6 ounces of crab meat and 1 cup of shredded cheese, such as Gruyere or Swiss. This combination creates a rich, savory base. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble and bake. Carefully pour the delicious crab and egg mixture into your 9-inch prepared pie crust. Make sure the filling is evenly distributed. Place the quiche on a baking sheet and transfer it to your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 40 to 50 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and the center is set. A simple test is to insert a knife near the center. It should come out clean, indicating perfect doneness. The aroma of freshly baked crab quiche is simply irresistible. However, patience is key for the perfect slice. Allow your quiche to cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes before attempting to cut into it. This crucial cooling period ensures the filling sets completely, preventing it from crumbling when sliced. Once cooled, cut into generous wedges and serve warm. It's a versatile dish, perfect for breakfast, a special brunch, or even a light, elegant dinner. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.